how to enable HVCI for VALORANT on your Windows 11. So if you want to enable HVCI for your VALORANT on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press Windows and R keys together and you will have this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter a command, which is ms-info32. After I click on OK, and you will get this kind of interface. You can scroll all the way down until you find the HVCI, which is hyper-virtualization enabled in firmware. If it says yes, then you are good. But if it says no, then don't worry. Here's what we can do. You can minimize this, go back to your Windows search bar, and then you need to type Windows Security. Simply click on it. You need to go with Device Security, and then you will have Core Isolation. Click on the Core Isolation details, and under the Core Isolation details, you will have Memory Integrity. If it's turned off, then turn it on. So if it's turned off, then by turning it on, it might fix your problem. But if it's already turned on, then by turning it off, might fix your problem. So just simply reset everything. This refreshes the setting and helps VALORANT detect HVCI properly. Once you've done that, you can now simply restart your Windows PC or your laptop and everything should now be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.